Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to change my Twitter username. So, let's dive right in. First, open up the Twitter app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy menu, you'll want to go to your account. This is where you can manage all your account details. Next, tap on Account Information. Now, you'll see an option for username. Tap on that. Here, you can type in your new username. As you type, Twitter will let you know if the username is available. If it is, go ahead and tap Done or Save to confirm your changes. Once you've confirmed, your new username will be updated immediately. You might need to log in again with the new username, so don't forget what you changed it to. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.